The primary purpose of the air filter cover is to secure and seal the air filter to the air filter base. The air filter cover also helps to efficiently route air into the engine for maximum performance. The cover should be inspected each time the air filter is serviced. It can warp if the tool is overheated or by years of exposure to fuel. When this occurs, the cover may no longer hold the air filter tight to the air filter base, which will possibly allow dirt and debris into the engine. If the cover is warped or missing, it should be immediately replaced to prevent serious engine damage. Replacing the air filter cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old air filter cover. The cover is secured with two knobs. And now I can install the new air filter cover. I'll align it with the air filter base and secure it with the knobs. And that's how simple it is to replace the cover on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.